Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about the four seasons, their beauty, and how they make our lives special. This video is perfect to learn English and practice English listening. Let's get started. Seasons. The year has four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season is unique. Some seasons are warm and others are cold. They bring changes in weather, nature, and our lives. Why do we have seasons? Seasons happen because the earth moves around the sun. The earth tilts on its axis. This tilt makes some places warmer or cooler at different times of the year. Spring is the first season of the year in many countries. It comes after winter. The weather is warm and nice. Flowers bloom, trees grow new leaves, and animals wake up from their long winter sleep. Colors of spring. Spring is full of colors. Flowers like tulips, daisies, and roses grow everywhere. The grass turns green and the sky looks blue. People feel happy when they see the beauty of spring. Spring activities. In spring, many people plant flowers in their gardens. Families enjoy picnics in parks. Children fly kites in the gentle wind. It is also a great time to clean homes and start new things. Animals in spring. Spring is a busy time for animals. Birds build nests and lay eggs. Butterflies fly around flowers. Bees collect nectar to make honey. Baby animals like lambs and rabbits are born in spring. Summer. Summer comes after spring. It is the hottest season. The sun shines bright and the days are long. People wear light clothes like shorts, t-shirts, and sandals to stay cool. Summer fun. Summer is a time for fun. Children love summer holidays because there is no school. Families go to beaches or parks. They swim, play games, and enjoy cold drinks like lemonade and ice cream. Travel in summer. Many people travel during summer. They visit mountains, rivers, or forests to enjoy nature. Some families camp under the stars. Others relax at resorts or stay home to enjoy the warm weather. Summer foods. In summer, people enjoy fresh fruits like watermelon, mangoes, and strawberries. Salads and cold drinks are very popular. Ice cream trucks drive around neighborhoods, bringing joy to kids. Autumn. Autumn is also called fall because leaves fall from the trees. The weather becomes cooler and the wind blows gently. It is the season of beautiful red, yellow, and orange leaves. Autumn festivals. Autumn is a time for festivals. In some countries, people celebrate Thanksgiving to thank nature for the harvest. Families eat turkey, pumpkin pie, and other delicious foods together. Harvest time in autumn. Farmers are very busy in autumn. They pick apples, pumpkins, and corn. People visit farms to enjoy activities like picking fruit or going through corn mazes. It is a fun time for families. Autumn clothes. In autumn, people wear warm but light clothes. Jackets, scarves, and hats are common. It is not very cold yet, so many people enjoy walking in the cool air and watching the colorful trees. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In many places, it snows and everything looks white. The days are short and the nights are long. People stay warm with thick clothes like coats and gloves. Winter holidays. Winter is a season of holidays. Christmas and New Year are celebrated in many countries. Families decorate trees, exchange gifts, and eat big meals together. It is a happy and festive time. Playing in the snow. Winter is fun for children who live in snowy places. They build snowmen, have snowball fights, and go sledding. Adults enjoy skiing, ice skating, and drinking hot chocolate by the fire. Animals in winter. Some animals sleep during winter. This is called hibernation. Bears and some frogs hibernate. Other animals like deer and foxes look for food in the snow. Birds like geese fly to warmer places. Different seasons around the world. Not every country has 4 seasons. Tropical countries like Thailand or Indonesia only have 2, the dry season and the rainy season. In some places like deserts, it is hot all year long. Seasons in polar regions. In the North Pole and South Pole, winters are very long and dark. Summers are short and bright. These places are very cold, and only a few animals like penguins and polar bears can live there. Why are seasons important? Seasons help plants, animals, and humans. They give us food, water, and energy. For example, spring brings flowers, summer gives fruits, autumn brings harvests, and winter gives rest to nature. How do seasons affect people? Seasons change how people live. In summer, they enjoy the outdoors. In winter, they stay inside to keep warm. Different seasons mean different clothes, soap foods, and activities for everyone. Favorite seasons. Everyone has a favorite season. Some love summer for its sunny days and beaches. Others enjoy winter for snow and holidays. Spring is great for flowers, and autumn is perfect for cool weather. Spring festivals. In spring, many countries celebrate festivals. In Japan, people enjoy cherry blossoms during Hanami. In India, people celebrate Holi with colors. These festivals make spring more joyful. Summer celebrations. Summer is also a time for celebrations. Many countries have national holidays in summer. People watch fireworks, have barbecues, and spend time with friends and family during these special days. Autumn traditions. Autumn has special traditions. In the USA, people carve pumpkins for Halloween. Children dress up and go trick-or-treating. In other places, people celebrate harvest festivals with dancing and food. Winter traditions. Winter is full of traditions. Families decorate Christmas trees, sing carols, and exchange gifts. In some countries, people welcome the new year with fireworks, music, and big celebrations. How seasons help farmers. Seasons are very important for farmers. Spring is the time to plant seeds. Summer helps crops grow. Autumn is the harvest season. Winter gives the soil rest, ready for a new cycle in spring. Seasons and clothes. Every season has different clothes. In summer, people wear shorts and t-shirts. In winter, they wear coats and scarves. Spring and autumn need light jackets. Seasons help make fashion interesting. Animals and seasons. Animals also change with the seasons. In spring, they have babies. In summer, they eat a lot. In autumn, some prepare for hibernation. In winter, animals like bears sleep to stay safe and warm. Conclusion. Seasons make life beautiful. Each season has its own weather, activities, and festivals. They bring joy, change, and excitement to our lives. What is your favorite season, and why do you love it? Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful for your English listening practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.